How to copy hashtags on Instagram. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to launch your Instagram application, and then you just have to go to your home, scroll down here, any post. And if you want to copy hashtags, you just have to click more because sometimes the captions are long. So click more to see the hashtags that you want to copy. So let's just say this one. If I'm going to tap more, I can see here tons of hashtags. So if you're going to click this one, if you're going to copy that, you can copy that here. So what you're going to do is to just simply go back and try to screenshot these hashtags. Okay, so let me screenshot this one first. And then if you open your folder or gallery and you see the screenshot here, most of the phones or devices, they can easily copy this by just opening the photo and then a long press, then they can select all. Unfortunately, I cannot do that here on my device, but no worries, okay? Because I can just simply exit my gallery and go to any web browser. Okay, so as you can see, I cannot copy this one all, I can't select all. So go to any web browser, and then this time you just have to search for image to text, something like that, converter. Okay, so image to text or pick the text converter, something like that. So you have tons of sites here to choose from, but you just have to select one, for example, this one here, and then browse with that screenshot or picture that you want to convert. So let me tap this one. Okay, now you have to scroll down and then look for submit. Okay, so let me look for submit. Here it is, tap submit. And then you just have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. You can see it right here. Now, once done, then you will see it here or you will be notified. So you have two options, either you download or copy. So you can click copy if you want, or you can click download. Once done, click open, and this is what it looks like. And what you're going to do here is just simply select all or copy the specific hashtag that you want to copy. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.